Today we are going to do the ATV Audiovisual home video logo blooper.
Okay,
Although,
but
although that
when I saw
logo,
your profile picture, I thought you're unlucky.
guys, that logo doesn't exist according to my calculations. Although it's fan made, it's fan made. The logo's been fan made. Get it?
Okay.
Okay, let's see that fan made logo. No text. The text has been erased.
Hey, Hori, when I saw your profile picture, I thought you're unlucky.
Alright, shall we do take two? Okay, let's go.
Oh, excuse me, Eyeball. I got a surprise for you.
For me? Oh, yes, sir. What is it, sir?
It's kind of very well animated, but maybe I can make it. Maybe I can animate it better.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we shouldn't do take three. You're right. We shouldn't do take three right now.
Alright, we finally got it right.
I know. Even though one note, note that logo is fan made. The logo is fan made.
Yeah. And it says
It's just
not
when
my
on
video.
the second
It
take
was created
animated
by the
version of
3D
yours.
span.
What was the audio of the logo? What's the audio?
MTV. The first logo of MTV.
It's
What?
just one of the animated version of the second take.
I wanted to fix them one, but I wanted to reanimate it, but I was lazy to do it. I couldn't do it in time.
Why not?
I was I was trying to do it before the third take appears, but I couldn't get it in time.